from netizens. Netizens is, they what they call netizens, people from internet and all that, with some sympathizers with the couples and other criticizing the decision to invest in Lagos real estate, real estate, okay, inciting the recent incident of demolitions. Now, like I said, you don't need to be in Lagos to see what government of Lagos State are doing to people that invest in in Lagos. All right. It also raised concern about the need to for through due diligence before investing in real estate in real estate in the state. One Nneka Busybody tweeted as Nneka Busybody wrote, "Why this is sad, I am a bit confused with the with uncertain investment landscape of Lagos and everything we see and read about. You still went and bought property in the Lagos in 2024. How? Why?" Now, another user twitters also, another Twitter user said, his name is Idenyo, wrote, "She and her husband deserve it. They bought a land without the lawyers and due diligence. Cry me a river. The seller landed a fast one on them." Now, this person is a Yoruba person. You can see the different comments. The Igbo girl here is trying to tell you, shows sympathetic word, and this one is kind of mocking the people that he landed a fast one and on them. You see, we are all human beings. It happened to her now. Who knows what will happen to you? You understand? But the issue is this: you don't need to support anybody for you to understand that you cannot just spending your money on things that you know that is not going to help you at all. It's very, very bad. Very, very bad. This is not the first time property demolition in Lagos have sparked controversy. Punch reported last week that the resident of Menda Estate Villa in the Maryland area of Lagos State described the demolition of their multi-million naira houses in the area by the state government while seeking compensation for a new shelter. Okay. Speaking on the incident, the state commissioner for Ministry of Environment and Water Resources, Tukubo Wahab, disclosed that the government issued residents of Menda Villas Estate two demolition notice in 2021 and 2023 before they demolished. But even at that, what about the compensation? What about the compensation? On Wednesday, this is the interesting one. It's getting here is the most interesting part of this story. On Wednesday, Wahab, being the commissioner, so-called commissioner, in a post on X account, also hinted that illegal builders whose houses are demolished, not they are going to demolish, they have been demolished, may soon be asked to pay for demolition. That after destroying your house, this is the lady in question. You can see her complexion. You may. I have every feelings that this lady is from Southeast. I'm just saying. It could be. I may be wrong, but I'm just saying because it's only Igbo people that are insisting that Lagos is the best place to invest money, or maybe someone from Akwebom, Calabar, and all that may decide to do the same thing because all of us are just Easterners behave, who have this similar character that want to achieve all this and want to invest and do this. But sometimes it's not good because it will backfire. It will backfire. So in this broadcast, I just want to remind us whether you have purchased or you are about to purchase. This lady now is regretting everything. Imagine spending probably maybe 50 million naira, sometimes 100 million, sometimes 200 million naira, in some cases 500, depending on the location. You purchase land, okay, build, or you purchase the house they have built already and all that. Then you will be a victim of this kind of thing. just put illegal structure, and they are not demanding that you yourself, after losing your house, you have to pay government for pulling that house down. That's another plan. So this is a way to quench you complaining about, to stop you from complaining about compensation or anything as such. Diana, I see you. Sonny, I see you. Chineye MC. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Like this video. So please and please, if you know anyone, whether the person is in support of Biafra, or he is not in support, or he or she does not support anything Biafra, somehow it is also good, because if that is what will make you to repent totally, to regain your consciousness, then so be it. But it's very, very sad that you have to waste your millions, okay, for you to know when somebody is actually working to pay you, because it's as good as paying you. You work hard in this hardship that's going on in Nigeria, the hard economy and everything. After spending those things, then they will still come after you to pay you. Paying you instead of paying you financially. That's what I'm talking about. Financially, because you have invested all your life savings. Do you know how long it will take you to save money, 100 mil, 200 mil, to buy a property in Lagos? Do you know how long it will take you? Depending on your investment. If you are like a people banner, it doesn't cost much. But these people know what they're doing. You watch what they have done to a landmark, who happened to be even one of the rich businessmen in Lagos. They destroyed the tarmac and everything. What happened? Everything that man invested in Lagos State, no compensation whatsoever, simply because you are an Igbo man. This has been the plan they have for you as an Igbo, as a Southeasterner in Lagos. But when we talk, some people will say, "Oh, you are bringing tribal sentiment. You are bringing tribalism. You should not talk about it. You do no. Just allow people to do. You are talking because you don't have money to invest. That's another thing. They will tell you that you are criticizing people that investing their money. This is my money. I spend it the way I want. But when you want to cry, you want everyone to sympathize you. That's why I don't want to criticize anybody mocking this lady. We are in a world of social media. Everything that is happening now is on social media. Everything. You cannot tell me that even if you don't believe in anything. In fact, you so much love Nigeria to the extent that you cannot stand anybody criticizing Nigeria. Good and fine. But your colleague that ignored the advice and went on to invest money in Lagos State, they are crying. You have seen them yet. Even this one said, another Igbo man, another Igbo woman, tomorrow have appointment with an agent in Lagos State to buy property. The same thing goes to Oyo. The same thing goes to what are the names? Ogun State. The same thing goes to Abeokuta. All the states in Southwest, Northwest. These two regions, if you are smart, you should avoid investing in those areas. I'm not saying that everything is moving fine and out of hate. I'm telling you this. No, I'm telling you out of experience of people like you. They have lost their money and you are going to lose yours in a heavy way, because you see now people are no more sympathizing people that are losing their property. So as you are crying, people will be insulting you also, because you act so foolishly. Now listen to this guy. This guy deporting Igbo criminals from abroad to Yoruba land is unjust. That is Adeyinka grandson. Listen to him.
How can you allow? Let me tell you something about serial killers.
Let me take it back.
How can you allow? Let me tell you something about serial killers. If they kill now,
I hope you understand. Just hold on. Before I play this, let me